All right, we out here finna get some free compost because my boy Trey, military. But yeah, it's one of the few places in the cab that give out free compost. You could just come, get some bins or whatever you want, and just fill it up, take it home. My grandma has done it for so long. Because I think tell me about the dog.
This is the summer to do manly things, like build a garden.
Is building a garden manly?
Yeah, very manly.
Very.
I think that's very agriculture. You know, it's getting ready for farming and ready for, you know, what's the world about to become.
All right, y'all. That's the well, we got our 3 tubs of compost. It's all free. You got a giant dirt hill with just nothing but compost. Now, if you need compost, you live in the cab area, I can send you the link to show you where they pick them up at. But all right, I'm gonna see y'all back at the crib. We got a bunch of earthworm castings. Yay! Yeah, this is a gigantic bag of earthworm castings. You know, supposed to help with, you know, adding microbes to the soil and stuff like that. And then we also got some seeds. So we got straight 8 cucumbers, pickling cucumbers, and then okra. And then let's go outside real quick. Compost, we got 3 bins of compost. Told y'all we got it for free. So y'all saw me dig it up. And we pretty much just gonna add this to our garden here. We're gonna till the garden one more time just to mix it in. Mix this stuff in with our earthworm castings, and then we should be ready to plant. So, you know, we got a lot of manual labor ahead of us, and we got our GoPro here just to, you know what I'm saying, show the tilling process and how it looks, how it's done. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and get to work. We got a lot of work to do. First step we should be doing is moving our plants out of the garden area so we can actually, you know what I'm saying, start retilling the garden. So let's go ahead and get to that. So let's talk about the layout of our garden, right? So that back row right there, back row has to grow, cucumbers has to go back there because cucumbers are gonna grow wild and out of control unless we use a trellis, which we gonna get a trellis. Cucumbers are pretty much gonna go out of control. They're gonna grow tall, and we don't want the shade from the cucumbers to block any plants that's in our front rows, pretty much. So so cucumbers gonna go on the back, right? Both cucumbers, straight 8 probably on the left, pickling on the right. Then we'll do a full row of tomato plants. Those are also gonna go up on a trellis because those gonna get tall. And then we will go probably jalapeno, bell peppers, and then this row right here, probably my herbs, so cilantro, basil, etc., etc. Pretty much 5 rows. So first row is cucumbers, second row is going to be tomatoes, third row is bell peppers, fourth row is going to be our jalapenos, and then our 5th row will be dedicated to our herbs. So yeah, let's go get our worm casting so we can mix that in too. So that's pretty much the tilling process done. We pretty much just mixed up the dirt. We didn't really break down. We didn't really get too deep into it. So one thing we gotta do now is you kind of see the hot spots and stuff. You know, the garden's real uneven. We just gotta even it out, and then we good. Garden is all prepared. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I feel like I need to water it, but I'm mad because I ain't got no watering hose. I should really buy one, huh? It's all good. So, garden's ready. And we just gotta plant our seeds now. I'll catch y'all in the next video. But y'all gonna see us plant our seeds.
Yeah.